Good day viewers, you are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations given that f of ax plus b divided by bx plus a equals x squared, and we are interested to find f of x given this function. Let's consider the solution. So I'll be considering 4 different steps to solve this, but step 4 is the most interesting part of this. Let's get into the first step. The step 1 is we are going to express this as t. Let's say I set t to be equals ax plus b divided by bx plus a. Here's the first step. In the second step, I want to express x in terms of t, that is, making x the subject of the formula. So the first is, I'm going to cross multiply. We have t bracket bx plus a equals ax plus b. And next, we have to open this parenthesis as we have tbx plus ta equals ax plus b. And collecting the like terms, we have tbx, this also x here, minus ax equals b minus ta. And by factoring out x, here we have tb minus a equals b minus ta. Let's divide both sides by tb minus a. We have tb minus a. This is also tb minus a. This cancelled, and we have x equals b minus ta divided by tb minus a. So this is the expression of x in terms of t. And next, as the step 3, we're going to substitute this x into x squared. So we have step 3, f of t will be equals, instead of x squared, we change it to b minus ta divided by tb minus a all raised to the power of 2. And next, we replace every single x with t with x, as we have f of x equals b minus ax divided by bx minus a all raised to the power of 2. So this is how I solve this f of x step by step. But the final step, which is the most interesting part, is how we can take the domains of this function. So from here, bx minus a must not equals 0. Therefore, our x here must not equals a divided by b. So we have to consider that domain. It's very, very important at this point. So here is the final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and share the video. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.